Okay, assalamu alaikum. I know the angle and everything's all weird because I don't know how to do things. But I would just want to tell you about a week ago or a couple of weeks ago, I made a video about how I ordered abayas, and I can finally say it correct. And here is one of them. Now you can kind of see the design that goes down and goes up the shoulder, and I don't know. Here, is that better? Okay. Is that better for you? I don't know. And like the scarf itself was really it was rectangular and rectangular rectangular. Oh, shut up, people. Leave me alone. And so I have to help. I can say thank you, Amel, for helping me, and sorry, Cool Shade, and sorry that I bored you to death when we were talking about this. He's like, cut it in half to make it a triangle. I'm not cutting this scarf. Like, come on. And then Cool Shade's like, "Oh, do you want all the brothers to leave?" And then Believer's like, I think all the brothers already left except for you. I'm like, I'm going on MSN, you fools. And mashallah, Amel. You have the beautifulest smile. You're a big turkey. Turkey, 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 turkey. And Fatima, thank you for the patience. But Fatima saw Amel's drawing in Stickum, and she's like, samosa. And please, people, it's samosa. We're not having the debate again. Samosa, sambusa, samosa, sambusa. It's samosa. Not sambusa, sambusa. We like some bambusa, bambusa, bamboo. Panda's like bamboo, but it's samosa. I don't really like samosas, anyways. So yeah. So this is one of them. And I noticed my sleeves are like really short, but I think it's because I have long dangly arms, kind of like Amel. But I won't get into that. But so I guess I'll live with it. Like, oh well, because I'm not sending them back because yeah, they don't. I don't care. I know that some people may have issues with it. That's not an abaya. It's not hijab. You're showing your arm. Heaven forbid, my arm. It's it's close enough. So yeah, I'm not wearing these full time right now. I'll probably start wearing abayas like when I start to become hardcore Muslim. Like, hopefully by Ramadan when I'm like out to my family. Yeah, that would be good. And so, yeah. And also, I'm gonna wear them on for like Jumma prayer because now I'm going to Jumma or Juma, Jumma, Jumus, Jubes. I never liked Jubes, and now that I can't have pork. Ooh, okay. So on the weekend, I had a rough weekend. All right, I take medication, and my pharmacy's like, make sure you get a refill because you're out. So I show up to my psychiatrist appointment, but my psychiatrist decided not to show up. So guess what? I didn't have medication all weekend. And you know what that's like? It's like major withdrawal. So I didn't have a great weekend. And then on Saturday night, guess what my mom decides to do? I'm gonna cook shellfish, she says. And she starts cooking oysters and whatnot. And my throat swelled up to like I had that much in between my two tonsils. And I like came upstairs gasping. And I like opened the door. I'm like, I almost fell down the stairs. Dun 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 dun. And I like opened my window. So yeah. And I'm a big person, so. But I hope you like that abaya. And I'm allergic to shellfish. Good thing I didn't eat it. uh, and then I was like in Best Buy, and this one clerk was talking to the other clerk, and she's like, "You don't even know how many allergies I have. I have a lot." I'm like, and then I overheard her. I'm like, "I have 56 allergies. How many do you have?" And she's like, I don't. I don't have that many. I'm like, yeah. When people ask me if I'm allergic to stuff, I go, no, not yet. Not yet is the key word because you never know it will happen. What, from the past like 5 years or anything? Actually, in this, have we ever gone over all of my allergies? Like, I think we went over it one time in Rebel Radio, if you watch Rebel Radio. But, oh, look, I gotta, yeah, I rock back and forth to be able to. Panda liver. Zip it. Why am I saying panda liver? Actually, you want to know the story behind panda? I always say, holy panda, what the panda? Is because I like the word panda. It just rolls off the tongue. Panda. And so instead of swearing, I say panda. Like, what the panda? Oh, pandas. And it works. Holy pandas. Panda liver. I don't know why I'd like to say panda liver, but I do. Okay. So I have the list of allergies here. And we, excuse me. We should, go over them. So we have furry animals, especially horses, dogs, and cats. Pineapple. Kiwi. Insect bites. Mold. Fungi. Many flowers. Some perfumes. Colognes. Metal. Hay. Latex. Milk. Lettuce. Except iceberg and romaine. Pork. Feathers. The sun. Dust. Country airborne dust. The drug marijuana. Cornmeal. And now shellfish. Shellfish is the new one. So I'm glad you enjoyed that list. What's going to be next, huh? What's going to be next? Water? Oh, I am kind of allergic to chloride. Yeah, but what's going to be next? Water? Walking around. Yeah, everything's cool. And then it rains and like acid's in your arm. And you're like, ah, acid. No. When I'm at the Greyhound track, the dogs like to howl after they get fed. They go, oh, and I always howl with them. Oh, oh. You're welcome. My dog's at the groomer right now. He's gonna look so handsome. You know what? My mom liked my Abaya too. She said it looked pretty. It's kind of tight on me. I guess the sign to not get a bigger size. The sign is to lose some damn weight, Lindsay. Oh yeah, my friend Hanny wants me to pick a second name, and he keeps on calling me Fatima, and I don't really, Fatima doesn't suit me, I don't think. But I like the name Khadidra. So I don't know. I would like to hear your guys' opinions. You know, the 5 people that leave comments, even though there's 60 of you that watch. Anyways. Sorry. Coffee. I don't know if you have to say anything after coughing. I'll say alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, I was joking to death. But alhamdulillah. Yeah. Good. Well, anyways, it was nice talking to you. You're welcome for being so random. And assalamu alaikum. And I'm sorry if I didn't say it when I started. Okay? Assalamu alaikum. Ta-ta for now.